In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack channel. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or removing obsolete channels, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring clarity and ease. First, you'll want to navigate to the Slack platform. Open your preferred web browser or launch the Slack desktop application. Once you're there, it's essential to log into your account. Slack offers several convenient options for signing in, such as using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Choose whichever method you normally use to access your Slack workspace, and enter your credentials promptly to move forward. Once you've successfully logged in, you need to select the specific workspace that contains the channel you want to delete. This could be a workspace associated with your team, organization, or a personal project. Simply click on the workspace name from the list available to you, and you'll be directed there. Now it's time to pinpoint the actual channel you wish to delete. Scroll through the list of channels in the left-hand sidebar until you find the one in question. When you've located it, click directly on the channel's name to open it. Doing so will lead you into the channel where the conversation takes place. Once inside the channel, direct your attention to the upper right corner. You'll notice an ellipsis, symbolized by 3 dots. This icon signifies additional options. Click on the ellipsis to reveal a drop-down menu and select the option labeled Edit Settings. Here is where you'll find a host of settings specific to your channel. Now you'll be looking for the section dedicated to deletion. Scroll through the Settings tab until you locate an option that says Delete this channel. This step is critical because it leads directly to the deletion process, so make sure you find this option. Before doing anything further, you might want to consider any last-minute changes. If you wish to update the channel's name perhaps for clarity or organization before deletion, you have the opportunity here. Simply change the name to your preference, and don't forget to save these changes by clicking Save Changes. And just like that, you've completed the essential steps to prepare for deleting a Slack channel. These meticulous steps ensure you have full control over your workspace and can maintain its organization and relevance. Remember, deleting a channel in Slack is a permanent action and cannot be undone, so be certain before you proceed. I hope you found this guide both comprehensive and helpful in navigating the Slack interface for this task. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.